Hey Vikings!
Today we're making chicken alfredo.
But with no hands.
Get in there.
Hold it.
Wait, there's a hole.
Oh.
That is
We gotta touch chicken.
Yeah.
This one's chicken only. Raw chicken.
Show us this one.
Oh. Okay, wait, no.
How much should we put?
Not too much.
That's good, that's good.
There you
Okay.
go.
To cover the bottom?
Yeah.
Wait, lid?
Oh my god. We got that. We're chill. We're chill. Okay. Okay.
No. Is it open?
We're making Cajun alfredo.
Cajun Alfredo?
Yeah, girl.
Why aren't we using Italian seasoning?
Get your chicken.
Wait, oh, the lid's on. Here, help. No! You know, it works. Yeah! Oh.
Do you just have salt and pepper?
Yeah, she can shake. Not a lot, dude. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. In the pan. Oh, you could have ate that. Wait. It's not gonna hold. It's not gonna hold. I got it. No, you don't. Can't you push the button? Readjust. Some salty chicken.
Someone has touched chicken too, though.
I think they've all touched chicken.
So like, I probably just like stuck my teeth on the box that had chicken juice on it. Like,
Probably right. Hey, it's not our hands.
Hey, it's not our hands.
Oh, we're gonna break them first.
You just got boiling hot water on me, mate.
Hey, girl. She's white.
you got it. Ashley.
Hey.
Cheater. You wanna...
Oh, I think she's juicy, tender, and moist and ready to eat.
You were bad.
Dude, why do you cut it like that?
Yeah, what are you? You're